Here at Unique Classic Cars, we have something a little smaller, a 1928 Automotive Standards Red Bug. Think of it like a go-kart from 1928. Originally designed by A.O. Smith and then sold to Briggs & Stratton, who of course put gas engines on them. This one is electric by the Automotive Standards Company. In their day, they cost almost as much as a Model T. With a top speed of 12 miles per hour, a 62-inch wheelbase, 20-inch tires, and a weight of just over 200 pounds. The chassis is made of ash wood. The seats are steamed and bent red elm. This is completely restored, painted, and the wood recreated. Equipped with optional horn and lights, headlights and taillight. Let's take a look at some of the controls on this car. So, pretty simple to drive as most go-karts. We have a brake pedal on the left, a throttle on the right, behind the seat is a switch for the headlights. First we'll show you the battery, because in the battery compartment is your switch to power the car. Flip this red lever and we've got power. Battery protected by a rubber shield. Come around to the light switch, which you can reach when you're driving, right behind you. There's the taillight. And up front here you can see the nice bright headlights. All within reach while you're driving. And under the seat right here, an awesome Uga horn. You have to have that on whatever 20s vehicle you're driving, of course. And these are going to be sold with a bill of sale. Be sure and check out all the pictures up close on all the parts at uniqueclassiccars.com. And give us a call with any questions you might have at 507-386-1726. Only approximately 150 of these known to exist in the world today. A very rare machine. And well restored. Take a look at how easy it is to steer. Quick turning radius, lots of fun. Go-kart from 1928. Made by the Automotive Standards Company. Give us a call at 507-386-1726 and uniqueclassiccars.com.